Alright, hey, good morning, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here. Opening trade, trying to go against the low and see if we can go down underneath here. We're trading between S1 and S2. Ideally, I want to see it test the low right now. Let you know how it works out. Alright, 3P move off the entry point of 33 would be 83, 50 ticks right now. 2P down move, 1P down move is 16, and the 2P down move is 6,700. Looking for the market to have an early morning fall. Highest volume bar came in at 1:59 actually a.m. 47.81. We're trading underneath those bars that came in right now. In fact, we broke through here earlier, right through here, and now we're approaching the low. Lowest session is 67.22 right now. See if we can break through it. This could open up the door to get to 6666 again. Been trying to get there for a while. My target this morning is actually the Gann 190-degree angle because we've already run 45 and 90. We're at the 90-degree angle right now. 6689 is the Gann magic number, so I'm looking to get to the 89 mark, and then we'll protect about half of that. And we're looking at 6666 at 4P. That'd be a 66 tick move, 67. And then 6650, I'm actually looking for 6651. Gann 190-degree angle right now. Take a little bit less on our loss side of the trade. I'm trying to see if it'll hold 37 line now. Pushing to the low. Through the low. New low is 6717. Within one tick of 1P right there. Protecting break even. Made a new low by 5 ticks. I think we need to see some more support down here to stop the downward move, although it might be strong enough to run us out. 12p move from our open of 68.15 today would bring it down to 66.15. So let's settle down on that for now. Took us out. Alright, so we're out with +1. I don't know if I'll take another trade or not right now, unless I see something I want to see. I wanted to see it break down through the low, which it did, and hold the trade, and it didn't. And here's your buy zone right in here. And we're coming up to right here's the sell below. The market can easily retrace back up to the 50 mark. Pausing. Alright, so the market's looking strong. It's going to reach back up into its former zone. Now that zone was created from back here at 2 a.m. roughly in the morning, 1:59. We reached down to 67.50 and a high of 67.73, just about a 25 tick move on 2 bars. So I'm including both. This is the bottom of the range, this is the top of the range before the fall. And you can see that we're trading at 43 right now, 41. So looks that I got out at the right time right now. We have like a little buy zone underneath here at the low, and then it's moved up. I'm trading into the what would be the bottom of the buy zone right here too. So sell underneath and buy above. So the buy above would be that 73 mark, which we can't see right now. So it pushes it through S1 and up here. I mean, that doesn't mean you want to buy right above it because you need the signal to get in, but this means up here that the buy is greater than the sell up here, and then underneath here the sell is greater than the buy right now. And that's why I took my opening trade when I did. I think it was right here, and we exited just a tick gain, and it did make the down move and made a new low. What I was hoping for at that point, it did not go 1p, by the way. What I was hoping for at that point was for it to move, obviously keep moving down, not stop. Pausing. Now it's hard for me to take a long signal in between S1 S2, but if I was going to take a long, if I didn't catch it here, then I'd be looking up here to catch it. But I just got a feeling that we're going to reach up to this area and not move too much further up. But I don't know. Just never know. Anyway, I don't like taking longs in between S1 S2. That's what it gets to. At the bottom of the buy zone that we looked at before, so we're trading in the 2:30, I mean the 1 o'clock area right now. We've made it back to the break zone. Very strong move up all the way to S1. Remember, the top of the zone is at 73. It's up here. $67.26 entry point if we would have been in it. 1p would have been at 43. The 2p move is 59. The 3p move would be 76 and bring it up here. And then if we had been lucky enough to get involved in the short down at the low of the session, which is not something I'm going to do. We were at S1 previously at 7:30. We saw a high blue bar volume then. And previous to that is our break zone. And they're right in the middle of the break zone right now. Alright, there's our top. There's where I want to take it on, right there. 3P up move. Target now will be 6677. Been looking for that for the longest time. Six seven seven one. If we can get the down move, it'll be 54. Now, if this doesn't work out, we'll settle down and not worry about trying to trade into this for a while. I want to see the bottom of the zone here. It's a 1P move to 54. 3P move would bring it down to 21, which would bring it in to the low of the market right now. We'll see if we can get down into this area. And then we have a 2P move at 38. Looks like 63 is the break. We got a Ziggy Man formed here. Neckline break about right there. I feel like I would have been smart to hold my original entry point. Use that as the high to get out. I would have been in a much stronger position. Live and learn. Look for the market to fall from here. Come on back down to the lows. Where's my 5-minute chart? Oh, there it's hiding. We'll look for 6671 from our entry point. Be 99 ticks. That'd be nice. Or not quite 99. 99 from 71, excuse me. Original entry point. Got out of that one right here at 71. And break. If we can break from here, that'd be nice. $54 first target down from the 71 mark. 37. And then that 21 mark. Making them go down and make new lows. Been better off to hold the 71 mark than taking all these losses. Live and learn. So which one's going to get hit first today? 6777 or 6677? Coming back to that again. Much better off to hold here and then only take a one hit than what I did. Not only been down like 8-9 ticks now instead of down 24. Obviously, I believe this is just a fake out area. And this is the top of the zone going up. 71 would have made a 79 stop. Jesus, can't win to save my life. I only had one entry here, an exit of 81, as opposed to all these entries here. That's a learning experience for me, how to start trading the buy zone, sell zones. This cost me 30 ticks today. I'd only had one trade in here, and then I would have seen this here. So this cost me my trading day today. That cost me down here, that cost me my trading day. Lower my loss here. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Got to move on to the next trading day. Screwed up. 68.01, 67.84 first target. Jeez, what a bunch of crock I ran into today. Damn it. Really screwed this day up, didn't I, David? Yep. Wow. Caught the wrong way today. Who would have thought that that would have been the low? 67.17 was the low. Well, I'll talk about being wrong. Dang. Alright, so the buy zone did hold today. And this is the buy zone, buy above. Damn it if that didn't work out. This was sell below here, buy above. And I kept trying to sell this because we all wanted to go S1 back down. And then we see this. Just fooled all day today. Alright, that's going to do it for me, man. I can't trade anymore, otherwise I'll lose my account. I don't feel like resetting again. I don't know. Honestly, I didn't see that being the low. How would you guess that that was the low? The original buy zone would have been right here, but you're below S2 trying to buy a market. This is unusual to see this kind of strong up move, probably based upon some kind of economic condition right now or some event that sent this market up this far. I mean, month end doesn't historically pull this kind of bullshit. Be on the wrong side. I mean, I'm big time on the wrong side. All my technical signals failed me today. The only thing I can say is that this was buy above, so the 6771 was fine, but I should only trade it at one time. And then one time I should have not come in until after this made a correct signal. And my impatience cost me basically because I caught too much of a loss. Sometimes when I go up 1 tick gain, that's like the worst trading that I ever have. It seems like I go from 1 tick win, 8 tick win, to the real negative day. And part of me said to stand aside after the 1 tick win too, but I just knew that there was more to it. Really thought, obviously I thought we were going to go down, otherwise why would I trade it? Obviously I didn't see that being low, and I didn't believe that this zone was stronger than this zone up here. That's why I was trying to sell in here, but I should have stick to the 6771 entry that I had, that original. Should have waited for that, then got in, and then got stopped out at the 79 mark, and then wait. If that was only one entry right there, then I'm only down -8, and this trade should have never happened. And I know though I pressed hard because I was down 33. And here's the signal to short right in this area. Just didn't leave enough ammo in my gun to make a move correctly. I traded poorly. So I'd be surprised to see us bust above this right here. I'd be very surprised to see us get above 68.33 on the trading session though. Well, thank God it's a combine instead of real money. So I just took a $500 hit the wrong direction. Just about. Obviously I see what I could have done better. Better entry points would have been holding on the 6771 and then waiting till here. This should have only been my third trade. I got too overcomplicated on trying to protect 6771 today, and that caused me to fall 34 ticks down. So I cost myself 35 ticks by trying to protect 6771. Instead of, I made that 35 tick loss that I created, should have only been a -8 to -9 loss. That would have been the difference between winning the day and losing the day. And I only have myself to blame because my impatience. Impatience is my worst enemy. To know what to do and not to do it, that's the definition of insanity. Alright, I'm out of here. Bye now. I can count this loss on my own. I caused this one. Bad trading decisions. I should have held at 6771 and forced that market to run me out and not go trying to trade into it, not try to trade into to know where you want to be short from and not hold it. That's just bad trading on my side. But then again, I'm still learning how to use these buy-sell zones too. And I know I wanted to be short at the top of the band. So that's kind of where I am on that. Well, thank goodness there's always tomorrow. Bye for now.